All right. Jessica paid $23,000 for her car and kept a record of its value. This is obviously an old problem. Assuming the relationship is exponential, okay, so it's y equals some value, the original value, times b raised to the x there, right? That's what we have for our exponential curves. Which equation best models the curve of best fit for the data? So, first of all, we can see the price is doing what? It's decreasing. So I know this guy, it's not going up by 120%, nor 200. Those are out. It's either C or D. So it's basically decreasing by about 15% or by about 30%. So let's figure out what's going on here. So what we need to do is we need to go to Desmos and put all this into a table. That's the first thing we're going to do. So we come to Desmos, and here we are in Desmos, and we need to put it in a table. How do we get a table? There's a plus sign right here to the far left. I'm going to hit that plus sign, and I'm going to say table. And then I'm going to enter that data that we had. Now, I already did it right here to save us a little bit of time. And you'll notice we can't see any of the data. That's because you're up here at 23,000 and 20,000 and 1,600 and whatever. I don't even really need to see the data. I'm going to come right here, and this is the key of what I got to put in. So I got to put in the equation. I got to say, okay, we want y, and I then hit 1, sub 1. Notice it'll automatically put it down there. I then need to hit shift and hit my little squiggly key to tell it, hey, I want you to make an approximation, figure this out for me. Now you and I have a times b raised to the x. So I then am going to do caret. So I hit shift and then the 6 key. And I'm going to do to the x, and I need to do sub 1. So I'm telling it to look at my points, the sub 1 and the y sub 1. Now it gives me, if we look at this, it gives me the a value. So y is going to equal 23,103 times 0.84 raised to the power. The key being this 0.84, so it's about 0.85. If I go back and look at my choices, it's this guy. It tells you your first value, the A piece is 23,100, and that B piece is 0.85. That's what it is. So choice C, pretty close to it. There's our option and the correct answer.